kick in now, please. That'd be great. Hey, one thing, automatic, that works great. Beach fire one. Your glasses. Sorry, I didn't want to squish them.
Control provider 30.
How far down?
30.
They went down about a mile already.
Okay, thank you. You good? Hold on. I'm putting these on my hat. My radio's got to go there.
Control.
County Engine 4.
County Engine 4, we respond with 2.
County Engine 4, responding with 2.
The call is for a kayaker, a juvenile kayaker, possibly in distress, which that's a big deal for juvenile. Sometimes they don't know how to ride the kayak. So Michael's gonna go check him out. I think that's the boat right there. And I'm just gonna go down here and back Michael up and see if he needs any help with anything. I trust Michael with my life, so he's good to go.
Control from Engine 31.
Engine 31.
We have another structure fire too, so that's what all the traffic is. Zoom in on Michael. He's just gonna go check that guy out. At this point, what we'd be worried about, it's a canoe, not a kayak. So he could take on water and then he'd be in distress real fast. So he's gonna go out and check on it and make sure everything's kosher before we just leave him alone. I think Michael just convinced him to come back in.
Here.
Tell me that again?
Apparently, you're not allowed to canoe to Cuba in Panama City.
What were you doing out there?
Me?
You trying to go to Cuba?
Enjoying the tide and the waves and stuff, the sun, just beautiful weather and stuff. Absolutely loved it.
The call came in as emergent. We had to go check on him, make sure everything was good, paddled out to him. I guess he came from all the way down there, which is a bit of a hike. Props to that guy. That's a long way to go, so I think we're just gonna throw his canoe on top of one of the trucks and give him a lift back.
So when you swam up to him, you realized he wasn't in distress or anything?
Oh, dude, as I was going out, I was calling out to him, and he seemed totally fine. It's I'm sure it's nothing he couldn't handle. We're just saving him some time and money. His phone died too, so now maybe his parents won't be freaking out.
Hey guys, I'm Matt Iseman from Live Rescue. Subscribe to A&E for more videos and catch full episodes on aetv.com.